Hello everyone, welcome to Aviation in 2 Minutes. Today I'm going to be launching a new series called Plane Crashes Explained, where I'm basically going to be going into detail on how plane crashes happened and what they did to prevent them, and sometimes if I have time, go into myths about them and debunk them. Today, if you didn't tell from the thumbnail, we're going to be talking about American Airlines Flight 11. American Airlines Flight 11 was a 767-223ER, registration November 334 Alpha Alpha. This plane was going from Boston Airport to LAX, but it never made it there. Its occupants included 92 people, 81 passengers, and 11 crew, including the 5 hijackers who then hijacked the plane and flew it into the North Tower on 9/11. American 11 was one of 4 planes involved in the 9/11 attacks, and I'll get to the other 3 in future videos. Fatalities included all 92 people on board, plus 1,600 people on the ground. Yeah, this plane was just hijacked, and going into some myths, some people say that the plane was never hijacked and was instead remote controlled, which is impossible because the 767 does not have that kind of feature. Some people also say that the plane was a hologram that hit the building, which doesn't make sense because at the crash site, remains from Flight 11 were found in the tower. And some people say that the jet fuel can't burn hot enough to melt the seal of the tower, but it actually didn't need to melt the seal, as the fire would have weakened the seal enough to the point that it wouldn't have been able to support its weight. Okay, that's it for today. I'll talk more about this in the uploads of the other 3 flights. See you guys later.